To recover your Google Chrome bookmarks, start by closing all Chrome tabs. Next, access the Run app using the Windows key combination and type App Data to open the corresponding folder. Navigate to the Local folder. Then select Google and click on Chrome to find the User Data folder. Inside, open the default folder and locate the Bookmarks and bookmarks.back files. Rename the Bookmarks file to bookmarks.old, and then rename the bookmarks.back file to Bookmarks. Finally, rename the bookmarks.old file to bookmarks.back and close the folder. Upon reopening Google Chrome, your bookmarks should be restored. Alternatively, you can launch Chrome. Click the three dots at the top right corner and select Bookmarks. Then import Bookmarks in Settings. Check the box next to Favorites or Bookmarks. Click the Choose File button to select your backup file, and tap Done to restore your browser's bookmarks. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Google Chrome bookmarks.